Back to the another video. So first of all, step 1, press Windows plus R, write services.msc. Click on the OK. It will direct you to this page. After going there, first of all, go to the Background Intelligence Transfer Service. After selecting the Background Transfer Intelligence Service, double-click on it. Go to the Startup type, select it Disable, click Apply, and press OK. After the Background Intelligence Transfer Service, go to the System Main, Sysmain. Go to Sysmain. Do the same for this. Select the Disable, click on Apply, press OK. After this, go to the Windows search. Go to the Windows search, double click on it, select the Disable, stop the force. After this, select the Disable, click on Apply and press OK. These are the unnecessary services that consumes a lot of hardware resources. After this, step number 2. Again press Windows plus R, write regedit, regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, regedit, click OK after entering this. Okay, it will take you here. First of all, double click on the H key local machine. Go to the system. After going to the system, what you need to do is click on the current control set. Click current control set. After that, go to the control. After selecting on the control, go to the session manager. After selecting the session manager, what you need to do is go to the memory management. Select the memory management. From there, you'll see clear file at shutdown. Double click on it, right click on it, go to the modify, change it from 0 to 1. Press OK. Okay. After this, step number 3. For step number 3, download Wise Memory Optimizer. It will help you optimize your memory. You can go to the search engine, write the task manager there. After that, click on the task manager. Go to the performance. Can you see the memory? It is 74. Press on the optimize. Yeah, see it have optimized your memory. Step number 3 is done. Now move towards step number 4. Go to the search, app searching. Yes, write their background apps. And after this, disable all these apps that are running in the background. It will help you fast your computer and less down your memory usage. Step number 5. Go to the startup, go to the task manager. After going to the task manager, click on the startup apps and disable the unnecessary apps which are taking too much place. Like this. Right click on them and it will show you the disable option and disable them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow for more videos. Allah Hafiz.